Birth of 3D printing from concept to reality. 3D printing builds objects layer by layer. It started as a way to make prototypes quickly. The idea emerged in the 1980s. Early 3D printers used plastics and resins. The technology advanced rapidly in the 1990s. New materials and software emerged. This made 3D printing more versatile. People started to see its potential in various fields. 3D printing gets personal healthcare embraces a new era. Healthcare professionals quickly saw the potential of 3D printing. It offered a way to create customized medical devices. Prosthetics became a key area of focus. 3D printing allowed for prosthetics tailored to individual patients. The use of 3D printing expanded beyond prosthetics. Surgical guides and implants became possible. 3D models helped surgeons plan complex procedures. This led to better outcomes for patients. Printing life itself, bioprinting tissues and organs. One of the most exciting areas of 3D printing is bioprinting. Bioprinting uses living cells to build tissues and organs. This has the potential to revolutionize organ transplantation. Researchers are making significant progress in bioprinting. They have successfully printed skin, cartilage, and bone. The goal is to one day print fully functional organs. This would save countless lives. The future unfolds. 3D printing's promise in healthcare. 3D printing is transforming healthcare. It allows for personalized medicine and innovative treatments. The possibilities are endless as technology continues to evolve. Ethical and legal challenges need to be addressed. These include data privacy and the regulation of bioprinted organs. However, the future of 3D printing in healthcare is bright. It holds the promise of a healthier tomorrow for all.